batambula ng'endulu bwegenderanya ye mukyala Barbie Kyagulanyi Itungo era nga ono sanyu jerere speech gye yawadde. Oh my goodness, nga sinnababikuwa kansooke nkujjukize nti omukutu kw'obiwulirira kw'obirabira baguyita Viki exclusive abikuweereza si mulala bampita Viki. Thank you so much for subscribing. Video soko jimpereka like ate weri nkola yaffe nawe ate natweyungako omutongole mukwano nkikole mu mutima mulungi subscribinga bw'omala kwata mukadde kajje mu kigambo personalize okateke mu kigambo all wetukugambira nti turn on that notification bell ensonga ojja kubeera nga ate oyozifuna bulungi hajati kaloddo abeerawo nnyo kumwe abalina ebizibu mweyunire ng'omukubirako ku namba esembyayo 067 oba whatsapp nga ajja kuba akuddamu butereevu ensonga zibeere nga zigonjoolwa. Kakati omukyala Barbie Kyagulanyi Itungo yawadde speech nga Bobi Wine ali eri mu Dubai bakyali mu vita yawo nayimba toyimbe oluvannyuma ne kitegeerekeka nti tayimbe. Kakati ate ye Barbie ekyabadde gye yabadde kyekino naawe kyenkuleetedde. Mujjukira film festival mwamanyako Barbie biki bye yayogera ye kati mwe mubijjukira kale nkimanyi abasinga kummwe mubijjukira kubanga mugoberera nnyo Viki exclusive. Kati ekinyuzi kiriwa kikino kantikuwa ekyewulirireko ebigambo mujja bitegeera mpola mpola just kiwa obudde.
So it is all political that he was held at the airport for 13 hours. Then when he was released, the show was cancelled. So he is in Dubai.
That's another film again. For this film, Greece is incredible. I mean, the courage you and your husband and all the young people who really are fighting for a change in Uganda. It's just, it's incredible. I mean, to see you talking about this and my question to you, Chris, as director, is the choices that you make. I mean, because obviously to make a documentary like this, you have to go through the process and get the rights process, vision to shoot, and of course you're putting yourself in harm's way. Can you just tell us a little bit more?
Yeah, the first thing I'd like to say is I co-directed this with Moses Bueno, and Moses is actually in America at the moment applying for asylum. So, that's a direct result of making this film. He's, with a lot of people involved in the film that have gone through great sacrifices. We ended up with literally thousands and thousands of hours of footage. We were filming for 5 years. And the big question was really what film to make. We witnessed and filmed a huge amount of abuse. We saw people who were tortured in the most hideous ways. We spoke to people who'd lost loved ones, people who'd been abducted, and we could have just ended up with just a catalogue of horror in the film. In fact, when Bobi first saw the film, he said, "Why have you made them look so good?" and I said, "I didn't think we made them look good, but when you know the reality, what you see, we've really restricted the violence in the film, and we decided that it would work better if we had as much as possible of what was happening through Bobi and Barbie and to make it as personal."